Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 23. Часть 2. Страница 58-59. English Starlight 4. Homework. Lesson number 23. Part number 2. Page number 58-59. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 58. 58. Willow's story. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Top branch, sleep, fall. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Top branch, sleep, fall. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the crossword puzzle. Закончи кроссворд. Fight, fall, kick, sail, fence, travel, sleep, carry. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 59. 59. Exercise number 3. Listen, point and repeat. Get hurt, save, break, lose, land. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Get hurt, save, break, land, lose. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read the story, answer the questions. Do not use more than 3 words. Прочитай историю, ответь на вопросы. Не используй больше, чем 3 слова. The history of potatoes. So Walter Raleigh was the first man to bring potatoes in the UK. He was a famous sailor and worked for Queen Elizabeth I. He sailed to America and carried the potatoes back with him. His servants planted the potatoes on his farm in Ireland. The questions number 1. Who was Sir Walter Raleigh? The answer: a famous sailor. Number 2. Where did he sail? Number 3. What did he carry back with him? Number 2. The answer: to America. Number 3. The potatoes. Boys and girls, we must read the next part. So Walter offered the potatoes to the Queen as a gift. She invited everyone to a feast at her palace to taste the potatoes. The cooks were not sure what to do with the potatoes. They decided to cook the leaves and throw the potatoes into the bin. Everyone at the feast was very ill. These days, everyone in the UK eats potatoes the right way. The questions number 4. Who did Sir Walter offer the potatoes to? Number 4, the answer. Кому сэр Уолтер предложил картофель? The answer. To the Queen, королеве. Question number 5. Where was the feast? Number 5, the answer. Где проходил пир? At the palace, в замке. Question number 6. What did the cooks do? Number 6. Что сделали повара? The answer. Cooked the leaves. Приготовили листья. Tell what you know about. So Walter was the first man to bring potatoes to the UK. He was a famous sailor and worked for Queen Elizabeth I. His servants planted the potatoes on his farm in Ireland. The place where he found potatoes, the answer. He sailed to America and carried the potatoes back with him. The wish of the Queen saw Walter offer the potatoes to the Queen as a gift. She invited everyone to a feast at her palace to taste the potatoes. The mistake of the cooks. The cooks were not sure what to do with the potatoes. They decided to cook the leaves and throw the potatoes into the bin. Everyone at the feast was very ill. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October,
November.